Yes, be ready. Start. The instant appeal has been filed under section 15 within bracket Z of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992 bracket start herein after being referred to as the Act 1992 bracket close assailing the judgment and order dated 9th August 2007 passed by the Securities Appellate Tribunal bracket start herein after being referred to as the tribunal bracket close affirming the order of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Mumbai bracket start herein after being referred to as the board bracket close dated 7th May 2007 holding that the appellant did not satisfy the conditions of clause bracket 4 of Schedule 3 of the Securities and Exchange Board of India bracket start stock brokers and sub brokers bracket close regulations 1992 bracket start herein after being referred to as the regulations bracket close hence the exemption from payment of fees for the period for which the erstwhile individual Shrikant Mantri has paid to the board cannot be converted to the corporate entity MFL full stop next stanza. The brief facts of the case called out are that one Shrikant Mantri became a member of the Calcutta Stock Exchange bracket start herein after being referred to as the CES bracket close and was granted registration as stockbroker on 30th November 1992 full stop. Sometime in the year 1997 he decided to transfer his membership card to CSE in favor of Mantri Finance Limited. The appellant bracket start herein after being referred to as the company bracket close full stop. It is not in dispute that the company was registered with the Registrar of Companies Calcutta on 27th December 1998 under the name the style of Usha Gram Properties and Finance Limited full stop. Later it changed its name to Mantri Finance Limited on 30th November 1992 full stop. The company had started the business of stock broking in 1995 and became a member of NSE and thereafter sought registration with the board as the stock broker and obtained membership of NSE as a stockbroker on 17th October 1995 full stop. Thereafter, when the membership card of Shrikant Mantri was transferred in the name of the company, the latter became a member of CSE and was registered as a stockbroker of CSE on 1st April 1998 full stop next stanza. After obtaining the membership of CSE on transfer of the card from Shrikant Mantri, the appellant company claimed that it should be exempted from payment of registration fee for the period for which Shrikant Mantri had already paid the fees full stop. In other words, it claimed the benefit of exemption of the fee already paid by Shrikant Mantri full stop. At the same time also claimed that all the conditions prescribed under para 4 of Schedule 3 to the regulations were satisfied and therefore it was entitled to claim exemption full stop. Next stanza, the claim of the company was rejected by the board by its order dated 7th May 2007 holding that Shrikant Mantri was also a director in the company during the 3 years period after the transfer of his membership and since he was not the whole time Director, the conditions prescribed under para 4 of schedule 3 are not satisfied and accordingly was not entitled to claim exemption as a prayed for by the appellant. Full stop. Next stanza. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent while supporting the finding returned by the board and affirmed by the tribunal submits that the material which has come on record has been appreciated at two stages by the board as well as by the tribunal. Full stop. Over.